Hey guys, this is my 1970 Ford Torino, and had the car completely redone, overhauled, engine rebuilt. Just about everything on the car has been replaced. It still runs hot. I'm in Florida now. Came down here 2.5 years ago from New Jersey. In Jersey, the car was running 220, 230. In Florida, it runs about 240. And sometimes it's sneaking up to 250. I have Evans coolant, which stops the car from blowing up, steaming out. And what I've done now is I've taken a look at the thermostat that was in the car, and it's one of these. I'm not sure if this is legit for the Cleveland. It looks like it might be, since it's got that little doohickey on the bottom. But the restrictor plate that was in there is this here. And I think part of my problem is that there's a bit too much, you can see there's too much space between the button that pops in and out and the plate. I think the hole is too big. So what I did was I got a T. Meyer thermostat for the 351 Cleveland. You can see the design is a bit different. And the restrictor plate, which I stuck in here, pull it out. You can see here's the restrictor plate, the heavy duty brass plate, and the fit on here is a lot more snug, as you can see. So I'm hoping that it will allow more of the coolant to get through my radiator instead of circulating around the engine. I'm making this video because I've only been able to find one video, and it wasn't even a good one, of a 351 thermostat install, and it turned out to be a Windsor engine anyway. So I am going to put this back in here. You can see I remove this coolant into the engine. I'm a mechanic by no means. And just 2 bolts. You see there's one, another one on the other side, comes right up. And I'm going to pop it in and see how my temperature is reacting. Anyway, we'll give it a shot and see what happens. Well, put the thermostat in, warmed up the car, and right now it's idling in my garage. It is about 92 degrees out. It's creeping up to about 210, and we'll see if it goes any further. Hold on. Well, it's been a couple of minutes, and miracle of miracles, it is sitting at about 208. So I've been driving around 230 to 240. Car's sitting at 208. It is, as I said, over 90 degrees out, and it looks like the T. Meyer thermostat, along with that restrictor plate, is the way to go if your car is overheating and it's a Cleveland.